Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can create a Facebook page for business. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and let's begin. So a Facebook page is a digital platform provided by Facebook that allow individuals, businesses, organizations and public figures to create a presence on the social media platform. Facebook pages serve as a mean to connect, engage, and communicate with specific audience or fan base. First of all, open up your Facebook application and log in with your account. If you don't have one, then do create it so that you can continue along. After setting up account and logging in, you will be able to see an interface like this. Here at the center, your timeline will be displayed. Now click on the profile located at the upper right corner of your screen. Scroll a bit and you will see pages section. Once you find it, just click on it. Users can create a page to represent a business, promote a cause, share information, provide updates and interact with other followers through the post, videos and live streams. Facebook pages offer various features and tools including insights and analytics to track page performance, the ability to schedule posts, targeted advertising options to reach specific demographics, and the option to invite others to like and follow the page. Anyways, inside the page section, you will be able to see all of the pages you currently own. To create a new page, click on create icon at the top. It will ask you to type in the name of your page, name it anything you want. Basically, it is to define the need of your page in the Facebook page community. You can select anything you want. You can choose shopping service, clothing brand, or maybe gaming. After selecting it, you would have to upload all of the information about the page along with your credentials. You will also need a profile and cover of the page. After uploading, your page creation is completed. Facebook pages play a vital role in establishing an online presence, building a community, and leveraging social media for marketing, brand, and communication purposes. To edit your page, simply tap on these three dots menu and a bunch of editing options will appear. And that's how you can create a page for business over on Facebook. So hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.